Most people think you need to know how to code, design, and be some kind of tech genius to start a web design agency. And that is completely wrong. In fact, if you're trying to learn web design before getting clients, you're doing it backwards. With AI, you can start a web design agency with zero experience. And I'm going to show you exactly how to land your first client and get paid first, then build. And real quick, I have nothing to sell you. No high ticket coaching program, no paywall, none of that. I'm giving away everything for free. All my scripts, my templates, my software, my live bootcamp, my live kickoff call, literally everything you need to succeed. All I ask in return is that you hit the like button, share this with a friend who needs it, and comment free course below, and I'll personally make sure everything gets sent to you. Now let's get into it. All right, so here's the biggest mistake that beginners make. Beginners think that skills equal money, and that's just not true. So you start to learn everything for months. You're watching all the YouTube videos, the TikToks, and you're just learning. And then you build a fake portfolio to make it look like you've done this before, and you're waiting for the confidence. But you never actually sell. You're never actually collecting money to start your business, to start your web design agency. The first thing you need to focus on is getting your first client, having someone actually give you their credit card and give you money so that you can create the website for them. I say this all the time on our channel, action takers are money makers. So my question to you, are you learning or earning right now? So why does this actually work? AI tools and technology have made building websites 10 times faster and easier. There's templates that exist, there's builders that exist like HighLevel and Lovable, and businesses don't really care how you're building it. They just want more leads. Most local businesses have a terrible website or no website at all. So the opportunity is absolutely huge. And I'm gonna show you step by step how to find these local businesses that need your help building a website. And real quick, so you get the mindset right, you're not selling them websites, you're selling them more customers. That's what they truly want. And then you're gonna get paid anywhere from $300 to $500 per client. Now there's two ways to do this. You can charge the clients a one-time fee, say $2,000 up to $5,000, depending on how complex the website is. Or you can do the website for free since it's so fast to create using templates and builders now and charge them monthly $300 to $500 and add some systems on the back end. That's my preference because when you have reoccurring clients, you can kind of stack them on top of each other and really get incredible income coming in month after month, not having to go look for more clients every month. But I do a hybrid of both. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is pick a profitable niche. So you can think any type of service business. We're talking HVAC, contractors, handyman, appliance repair, roofers, landscapers, home services, high ticket industries. Pick one profitable niche so that you can kind of create a system around building out the websites and you can repeat it over and over and over versus trying to make a custom website for everyone. Then you're just a service business. You really want to sell this as a software, sell this as a system because that's when it gets repeatable and that's when you can scale it into a full-time income to replace your 9 to 5. So when you're picking a niche, you want to think about what type of business owners have high ticket jobs. So roofers, one roof is going to cost you $20,000, $30,000, $50,000. Siding, same thing. Windows is a good one. Contractors doing like a basement remodel or a kitchen remodel, that's going to be like $50,000 jobs. So those kind of business owners have the capital and the budget to pay for a website, especially if they don't have one yet, or they have a really crappy one that they know doesn't work and they need to update it. So that's how you can kind of pick a profitable niche, but all niches work. And all business owners know they need a professional website to build that trust, rank on Google, and get more clients. So it's very easy to sell, and that's why I love selling websites. And for example, I've sold websites to cleaners, real estate agents, dance studios, like literally you can use any niche. It doesn't have to be contractors. So don't overthink the niche, pick one and go all in. All right, step 2 is going to be creating a simple offer. This is so important. Again, you're not selling websites. You're going to keep this super simple. So I help roofers get more leads with high converting website, period, simple. You're not going to talk about the plugins. You're not going to talk about the coding, the design, AI tools, anything like that. They don't really care about any of that stuff. All they care about is more jobs, more calls, and more revenue into their business. And after being a full-time business owner myself for over 10 years, that's all I care about when I'm investing into my business is what's the ROI and what's the outcome I'm going to get. So you're selling more jobs, more calls, more revenue. That's your offer. All right, step 3 is you're going to get paid first before you're working for free. Now I might get some pushback on this because I have built websites before as like a template to show a business owner on a demo call. And it's only taking me like 5 to 10 minutes to change out their logo, change up the branding, make it look branded to them. But when you do that, you're working for free up front without getting anything in return. So it's best to sell the website, get paid, and then create the website. Now, if you're uncomfortable doing that and you want a website to actually present to the business owner, that's totally fine for your first couple clients. But long-term, you do not want to do that every time. You can use HighLevel's website builder and templates, super simple and easy to use. I'll share that. Or you can use Lovable and create a nice website in a matter of minutes. Once you get someone interested, again, you can sell this. If you're just getting started as your first one, sell it for $1,000, get your first couple clients, get some testimonials. But eventually, if you're doing custom websites, you want to charge between $2,500 to $5,000. That's kind of the sweet spot that I've found. And if I'm doing a custom website, I'm charging 50% upfront. So I'm getting paid 50%. I'm going to do the work, do the outsourcing, use the tools to create it, and then I'm going to get paid the second half after I present it and we do with the final walkthrough of the website. So for custom websites, you can do the one-time fee. Now, if you want to earn recurring income month after month and not just $100 for website hosting and management, you can actually attach the websites to HighLevel and just give them some simple automations like missed call text back, review automation, an all-in-one inbox. Now you're not only helping them with their marketing, with their website, but they have automations and systems on the back end. And that's when you can charge the $300 to $500 per month in order to do that. So step 4 is going to be your fulfillment options. How are you going to actually build out the website for these clients? There's a bunch of options. I'm going to go through 2 of my favorites that are super simple and easy to implement. So you can use a website builder like HighLevel. I'll share that. You can use templates, hire someone on Fiverr, partner with a freelancer, or use AI tools like Lovable, and again, HighLevel. So, HighLevel is actually adding this to their software as we speak. So let's go over into HighLevel, and you're just going to go over to Sites, Websites, click Create New Website from a template. And as you can see, there are hundreds, if not thousands of website templates that you can use. You can use a search bar to find what you're looking for, or you can just come over to here to Home Services. So now it's sorted by home service businesses. So you have appliance repair, framing contractor, plumbing maintenance, solar, pressure washing. I'm going to go ahead and look at the pressure washing one, and this looks fantastic. Look how professional this website looks. So literally you just click choose template. Now again, you can customize this and send this to the clients ahead of time if you want to spend the 10 to 20 minutes to do that. If not, this is how you would create the website once you got paid for this pressure washing business, and you would basically use HighLevel's website design in business. So you come over here, you can change out the logo to whatever you want. And you can change out the colors, super simple and easy to do. We can turn this blue and we can turn this blue. Again, you can just go through and you can turn this blue. Expert service cleaner for every property. You could say your local pressure washing expert. Again, super simple. You can change out the logos. You can move things around. So this is how you move things around. Super easy, super simple to do. And you'd basically create this website for the client. And then if you come up to here, this is how you get to the other pages. So you can go to their service page, and I'm not going to save. And again, the outcome that they're getting from this website is to capture more leads. So you can easily link their calendars to make an appointment. You can link forms. You can have send a message. So the website's whole purpose is to capture the lead and start the conversation with that potential customer so that the business owner can reach out to them, follow through quickly, and capture them as a sale. And the amazing thing about HighLevel is that it does more than just a website. It does the CRM, it does automations, it even does AI chatbots and AI voice. So you can have it basically talk to the customers automatically for your client. And that's another upsell on top of the website. So HighLevel is my favorite website builder because it has all of the back-end automations as well and earn recurring income from, on top of building out the websites, plus all the templates, drag and drop features, drag and drop builder, make it super simple to create the websites. And my second favorite AI website builder is going to be Lovable. This software is absolutely incredible and makes it super simple to make custom websites as fast as possible, just using prompts like ChatGPT back and forth. So this is a website I made in less than 5 minutes for a appliance repair company in Albany. And as you can tell, it's all built. It's got service areas, different services that they do, gallery, featured images, review, contact, form, everything. It's absolutely incredible. And I created this prompt that basically makes the websites super simple and easy to use. I can give you all of my prompts, my scripts, my templates, just comment free course below. I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to start your own website agency using our prompts, using the softwares that we're using to get you your first client and to get you start making money selling websites. All right, so step 1 again was picking a profitable niche. We did that. Step 2 was creating a simple offer. I help blank niche get more leads with a high converting website. We're not talking about plugins, coding, design, any of that. They just want more calls and more revenue. We're going to get paid first before we actually build out the website. And then we're going to use either HighLevel or Lovable or a combination of both, because you can actually link a Lovable site to HighLevel and then do all the backend automations, which is my favorite. And we're going to build out their website for them. And now we're going to talk about how to actually get in front of these clients and get them interested and get them paying you. So method 1 is going to be simple Google Maps, either cold calling or warm calling. So you're going to go over to Google Maps. You're going to type in handyman from Albany, and I'm just using this as an example. You can do repairman, HVAC, roofers. We live in upstate New York, so I use Albany as an example. And you're going to simply scroll down. You're going to go past the sponsored listings here, or you're going to find a listing that does not have a website. So this one does not have a website, which is mind-blowing because they have 182 5-star reviews, which is incredible. And they're ranked number 1 without a website. That's awesome. So you're going to simply scroll down. And again, you're looking for someone that does not have the website listing or someone that has a low amount of reviews. You can kind of look into their website and realize that this website is absolute trash and it just goes on forever and ever too. So they need a new one. It literally promotes Wix up top. So that's a company that I would write down or I would put in a spreadsheet in order to reach out to them. And I'd write down all their information. Or ChatGPT, you can screenshot this and have ChatGPT come up with a full list for you. Handyman Pro Services, normally if they have low reviews, their website's going to be trash again. This one actually is not that bad. Looks fairly professional. I'm not going to go any further with that one. Grand Slam Handyman, good name. Decent website, definitely not the best, could definitely use some improvement. But we're going to look for ones that have no website. So Jaco Handyman, no website. The Google My Business profile listing is horrible. It's not filled out correctly. Realist Dimensions Handyman, Handyman Dan. So I just found like 10 that you could put in an Excel sheet and reach out to them one by one. So this is the script that I would use. I would say, hey, is this Handyman Dan? Pause, wait for them to respond. I'd say, hey, Dan, quick question for you. Are you currently getting most of your jobs from referrals or online? Pause for them to answer. Then you'd say, got it. The reason I'm calling is that I just looked at your online presence and I noticed that your website is not really optimized to turn visitors into calls. I work with local handyman companies to help them turn more website visitors into actual bookings. Then you say, would you be open for me to send you something over quick? That's it. You're not doing a pitch. You're not explaining the tech. You're just getting permission. They say, yes, great. What's the best email to send it to? And then you can send over a simple mock-up, a screenshot, a Loom video walking through the website. And then if they push back, you can say, I totally get that. Quick question. If your website could help you land even one extra job a month, would that be worth improving? And now you're reframing it from, a website online presence to an outcome of actually getting more jobs. Method 2, which works really well, is local Facebook groups. So what you're going to look for is your city. So Albany contractors, Albany small business owners, Albany home services. Now inside those Facebook groups, you're looking for posts that say, looking for a roofer, need a landscaper, any recommendations, affordable plumber. And now you're going to have a whole list of different businesses that people are referring. You're going to go over and click over to their business profiles that comment and say, hey, this is the work that we do. And then you're going to go over and see if they even have a website or if it's a bad website. And if not, then bingo, you have another opportunity. Hey, I'm good friends with blank and they recommended you guys, just to build that trust right off the bat that they don't think that you're just another marketing agency trying to sell them a service. All right, secret method number 3 is businesses that are running Facebook ads but have a horrible website. So these businesses are already spending money. They believe that marketing works and they want to grow. So they're just leaking money by not having a good website that captures leads. All right, so what you're going to do is go over to Facebook ad library. This is what it looks like. I believe it's just facebook.com/ads/library. You're going to go over United States, all ads, and you're just going to type in roofer and then click search. This is going to populate tons of different Facebook ads that companies are actually running right now. They're spending money on, and you can basically come through and go ahead and click on their ad and see if their website is ready to roll. So this one's good to go. And you basically want to go through and you're going to find websites that either suck or are just horrible and they need tons of improvement. This might take a little bit of time to find one that actually needs help. This is a high quality lead because again, they're already spending money on marketing. They know that they need marketing in order to scale and they just don't have the website that's going to help capture the leads. And again, here's my outreach script. Again, all my scripts and templates are in my free course below. So again, with this whole system, you're not out begging for clients to sign up with you. You're identifying businesses that have a real problem, and then you're offering them a solution and getting paid to do so. So whether you're using Google Maps, Facebook groups, or targeting businesses that are already running ads, the goal is very simple. Start conversations. You don't need 100 clients right off the gate. You just need one paying client to get this thing started. Keep it simple. All right, so let's dive more into the pricing. I've talked about this a little bit in the video. And what you want to do is basically a starter package is going to be your basic website for $1,000 to $3,000. And if they need a more complex website that's more SEO friendly or just has more pages and more services, you can charge upwards of $5,000 per client. And the one thing I want you to avoid, I know you're new, but don't sell $200 websites, $300 websites, $500 websites. You're just hurting yourself. You should not sell a website for less than $1,000 if you're doing the one-time fee type of model. Why? Because cheap clients, they complain and they're a pain in the butt and they're going to have a million different changes they want to do on the website, where a higher ticket client that's, paying $3,000 to $5,000, they're just way better clients. And the most important thing is you want to have some type of reoccurring maintenance, hosting, systems on the back end of the website so that you're earning that reoccurring monthly income each month and you're not having to constantly go out and get more clients. So let me show you exactly what my offer is so you can see visually what it looks like. I'm selling a smart AI website with a chat widget as the foot in the door for any business owner that doesn't have a website or has a crappy website that's not collecting leads. That gets me in the door. And then on the back end, I offer this business simple systems that help them save them time and make them more money. And then I charge $297 a month for all of this. So if it's a cookie cutter website that I already have the template for, that's for a home service business, I charge $297 a month for that. That's going to get them the website, the chat widget, a 5-star review automation, which is built inside HighLevel, auto missed call text back. So anytime a customer calls them and it's the weekend or they're already on a job and they can't answer, they're automatically going to send a text message to that potential customer to keep the conversation going and to save that lead. And then we have text remarketing for referrals and discount codes to get other customers that they've already had come back to them for more work. It's all going to be used on the Lead Connector app that comes with HighLevel. So I charge $297 a month for this. What you can do is if they have a custom website, you can use Lovable and then connect HighLevel to this to basically give them the chat widget, the 5-star review, automated text back, and the text remarketing. And I would charge, $3,000 to $5,000 for the custom website and then $297 per month for the backend system. Again, if it's just a normal home service business that needs a 10, 20 page website that I already have the template for, I do this whole package. This is my offer for $297 a month. So again, if you're doing custom websites using Lovable or HighLevel, $1,000 minimum should be your upfront fee, and up to $5,000 if it's a really customized website. And then on the back end of that, you want to do at least $100 a month for hosting and maintenance. If you do any back end systems like that, you can charge, anywhere from $100 to $1,000 a month, depending on what you offer them. So let's set some realistic expectations. You're going to be rejected. It's totally normal. Your first client is by far the hardest client you can get because you have no testimonials. You're worried, you're shaking in your boots about what someone's going to say or if they're going to hang up or swear at you or just, block you on Facebook. It's the hardest part to get that first client. But once you have that first client, you get someone to actually give them your credit card and pay you money. The momentum starts and you can stack these clients on top of each other with recurring income and it becomes life-changing. Again, this is not about web design. This is about learning how to sell. And when you do that and you grab my free course and follow my step-by-step system, you're going to have more freedom. You're going to have remote income. You're going to have the skills that actually sell. And you're going to be able to potentially replace your 9-to-5 job and do this full time. You don't need experience. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need to take action. So if you're serious about building a website agency this year, make sure you're subscribed because we have a ton of videos on our channel to teach you how to build and sell websites. And if you haven't already, comment free course below. I'm going to make sure I get everything over to you. And now that you know how to start a website agency, you want to watch this next video right here. I'll see you over there. Peace.